Once a CalderaRIP hardware license has been purchased, the license information and the dongle will be provided. Two options are then possible. It can be sent directly to the end user, or it can be sent to the partner handling the installation. In any case, the customer's license must always be registered with their own workspace account. To activate CalderaRIP with a hardware license, 3 elements are needed: an access number, a physical dongle, a dongle ID. The access number is a unique number per license and is made up of 6 digits. This number is sent by email after the purchase. The dongle is a small USB drive that allows to activate and use CalderaRIP. The dongle is delivered in a box that also includes CalderaRIP installation files. The dongle ID, or dongle number, is sent by email after the purchase. It can also be retrieved by using a web browser. To do so, plug in the dongle in the current RIP station. Then, open a web browser, and type localhost 1947 in the URL bar to access Sentinel Admin Center. Click the Sentinel Key tab. The dongle ID should appear next to the current dongle. If you are not able to access this page, it typically means that Sentinel is not installed on the current system. Installing the latest version of CalderaDock will automatically install Sentinel. As explained earlier, the license must be registered from the end user's workspace account. To do so, we go to Downloads and Install area. Then click on Caldera Licenses Management. This can also be done by going to the User Settings, My Registered License, Register a New License. Here, you type the access number. Then type the dongle ID. Next, it is required to assign the printers. The options displayed here depend on the category and the number of printers which are included with the license. Here, for instance, the customer purchased 3 drivers, so 3 slots are available. 2 slots for large drivers, and 1 slot for a Grand B driver. At this step, you must assign the printer manufacturer and specific printer model to each slot. After the first assignment, the customer has 7 days to modify it if any errors are made. Note that after the 7-day timeframe, this option is no longer available. A printer can be left unassigned. Assigning a printer can be done at any time as needed. Once the printers are assigned, we click on Continue. The new registered license is then added to the customer's account, visible from the My Licenses tab. You must now download the license file. To do so, click on the Download button visible in the Action area. Here, 2 options are available. You can either download a V2C activation file or a V2CP license update package. The license update is required when the RIP station is not connected to the internet and the license cannot be updated automatically. As we are doing a new CalderaRIP activation, we must download an activation file. By default, the destination folder is the Download folder, whether you are working on Linux or Mac OS. It is time to activate CalderaRIP. First, make sure that the dongle is plugged in the CalderaRIP station. Then, the V2C activation file must be applied with CalderaDock. To do so, go to the License tab, click on CalderaRIP, and click on Apply License File. Choose the V2C file that you downloaded previously. Then click the Apply button. Now the license has been successfully added to the system. However, CalderaRIP is not activated yet. You still need to attach the license. To do so, click on CalderaRIP. Here you can see that the new license appears in the list. To attach this license to the CalderaRIP software, click the Attach icon, then click on Attach. Great, the license has been successfully attached. Let's launch the software. CalderaRIP is now activated.